Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Keap import customers and tags step by step clearly. Open your preferred web browser. Navigate to the Keap login page. Enter your username and password, then click on the login button. Once logged in, locate and click on the CRM tab in the main menu. From the drop-down menu, select Contacts. Now, look for the option labeled Import on the right side of the screen. Click on the Import option to access the import interface. You will see different import options. Choose the Customers option to download your customer list. Next, find and click on the Download Sample CSV link to get a template for your customer data. Open the downloaded CSV file using a spreadsheet application like Microsoft Excel or Google Sheets. Fill in the customer details as per the template provided. If you have specific tags for your customers, note that they will need to be added in a separate column. Once you have added all customer details, save the file in CSV format. Return to the Keap import interface. Click on the Choose File button and select the CSV file you just saved. After selecting the file, click on the Import button to proceed. The system will begin processing your import. Make sure to check for any error messages during the import process. Once confirmed, your customers will now be imported into your Keap account. To import tags, repeat the process using a new CSV file formatted for tags. Follow the same steps to upload the tags using the import interface. Review the data to ensure everything has been imported correctly. Congratulations, you have successfully downloaded and imported customers and tags into Keap. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.